Okay, so class, now we are going to start our lecture. I'm your ma'am Reema, and this is again unit 6, growing plants, and this is your lecture 3 on Zoom. The page which we are going to do is page number 92, and the date is 21st December 2020, classwork and Monday. First write date and day, and I'm watching your chat. If you have very important question, you can write it in the chat box. After 20 minutes, I will unmute you all. Okay, nobody. Beta, page number is mentioned at the top. Maheen, you're asking about the page number, it's mentioned at the top. And class, after I'll finish the lecture, if you raise your hand and I won't be able to see you, you can write it in the chat box, because sometimes it's not possible to see you all at one screen. So you can raise your hands, you can raise your hand in the chat box so I can see it from there. So now I'm going to start. It's growing plants. What is the topic? Can you hear me? Show me your heads. You can hear me? Very good. Explore how seeds grow into flowering plants. In the last lecture, we have discussed this, that how seeds grow into flowering plants. First, we rake a seed in the soil, and then we water it and we look after it properly, and then we can see a fully grown plant. The big idea. We need to eat fruit and vegetables to keep us healthy. Yes, class, we have to eat a lot of fruits and lot of vegetables so we keep healthy. If in our diet we have a lot of fruits and vegetables, that makes us so healthy. Okay, you have still some chats? Okay, good. I'm watching your chat. Okay. Now they're asking, use your imagination notebook, draw your favorite fruit. Can you guess what your partner's favorite fruit? Yes, class. I had a partner and I asked my partner, and his favorite fruit was cherry. I have written cherry. You can write your partner's favorite fruit over here. It is cherry. I have written cherry. If your partner's favorite fruit is cherry, from these you can write cherry, and if he or she has any other fruit, you can write any other fruit name here. Cherry, CHERRY, cherry. So write your partner's favorite fruit in the first white box. And which fruits you can see in the picture? Yes, the first one are dates. Then we have apple. The green ones are olives. Okay, the green ones are olives. And then we have cherries. So you can write your partner's favorite fruit in the first box. Done? Raise your hands if you're done. Are you all done? Yes, Mohammed Fahad, you are muted, beta. You want to ask something? Write it in the chat box. If you want to ask something, write it in the chat box. After some time, I will unmute you all. No question in the chat box. Okay. So next we have, draw your favorite vegetable. Can you guess what your partner's favorite vegetable is? So my partner's favorite vegetable is cucumber. So I have wrote cucumber here. You can write your partner's favorite vegetable over here. So cucumber is CUCUMBER, cucumber. You can write the name of your favorite your partner's favorite vegetable here. Yes, Hania, you want to ask something? Beta, write it in the chat box. You are muted. Okay. Hania, can you hear me? Yes, Hania.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done with this page.
Okay, it's fine. You just have to listen the lecture. Okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to mute you. And class, if you have any question, I can't see you all on this screen because I have another screen over here. So you can write it in the chat box. Okay, then I'll see from there. You can write it in the chat box. I'm muting you again. Okay, Hania?
Okay.
I will unmute you all after some time. Then class, what we have next? Why do we grow plants? Why do we grow plants? We grow plants. We grow some plants because they provide food to eat. Yes, we grow so many plants because they provide us food. You know that 90% of the plants give us food. There are very less fruits and vegetables which are not grown, which are grown without plant. Mostly the food is grown on the plants. 90% of the food we get, it is from the plants. Even the animals depend upon the plants. Most of the animals depend for their food on the plants. As you can see, it's a wheat picture here, and we can make a flour with our wheat, and then you can see that there is a bread that which is made up of flour. Humans and animals eat the food provided by plants. Yes, we all eat the foods provided by the plants. The children who are joining right now, do write your names and section in the chat box. That is necessary for all of you. Okay, look at the pictures of wheat and bread in textbook. Bread is made from flour that is ground from the wheat in flour mills. There is also a connection between plants and food. How many foods you can think are made from plants? Yes, how many foods you think are made of plants? 90% of the food is made from the plants. Then do you like to, then you can see the flowers. We also grow some plants because they look pretty and smell sweet. Why do we grow plants? Flowers. We grow flowers because they look nice, and if we wanted to gift someone, we can gift them flowers, and we grow flowers in our gardens and we put them in the vases, so our they smell very good. And if we grow the flowers in the garden, they also look so pretty, and if we are going to someone, you also gift them with the flower. It's orange and carrots. It is orange and carrots. What is Shadaki? What are you asking? Achha, you are writing the favorite food of your partners. Okay, so why we grow flowers? Some of the food is not made. There is very less food which is not made from the plants, as cheese, as yogurt, but mostly 90% of the food we get is from the plants. Okay, class, now you also have, I will again show you this slide. First, I'm going to tell you what is your RA. This is your RA page. Can you all see the slide? Show me your heads. Can you all see the slide? Show me your heads. Okay. Now this is your RA is workbook page 42 and 44. If you have any question, you can write it in the chat box. I'm watching your chat. Page number 42 and 44 of your workbook is RA. That is very easy page. I'm just going to explain you what you have to do. You don't have to do it right now. This is just your RA page. Page number 42 and 40. Okay, page number 42 and 44 is your RA page. Class, you can write any question. If you have any question, you can write it in the chat box. I'm watching the chat box. When we will do page, no, we will not do page 93. Abdullah Barkat, we will not do page 93. We just have to do page 92 of the textbook, and this is your RA page, page 42 and 44. On page 42, you have to write, we need to eat this. Which food we need to eat, we have to tick in that box. You can see that. And which food we should not eat too much, we have to tick in that box, which we don't. Ma'am, can we do yes page 93? No, beta, we are not going to do page 93. We just have to do page 92. Okay. And these two pages are your RA pages. You have to tick in the box which food we have to eat and which we should not eat too much. Okay. Then on page 44, there is a, can you see me? You can see me? Okay. Okay, this page. Here you have to make your family tree, class. Here you have to make your family tree. Now I'm going to mute you all. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm again going to the first page. Note your RA pages, and this page we have done today. Now I'm going to mute you all. Okay, wait. Can you hear me? Okay, wait. Now you can unmute yourself. Wait. Okay. Now you can ask me the questions.
Why is your name Ashal Wari?
Sorry. That's my ID. My ID.
Literally two YouTubers combined.
No, it's not mine.
All Abhi has a YouTube.
Okay. Do you have any questions, class? Now you all can see me. You all can hear. Start. Do you have any questions?
Ma'am, which family tree do we have to do it on?
So you have the people live in your home. You can make a family tree. Your mama, baba, if your grandparents live with you, you can write it.
But on which page?
Page number
40 page.
page 44.
I'm done with those pages.
Done with those. Raj, your hand is raised. You want to ask something? Yes, Raj. If anyone has a question, raise your hand. Your RA pages are page 42 and 44. If you have skipped anything, you can see it from the Google, okay? I'll post it on the Google.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I'm
Who is
done
done?
with
Who is done? I can see you now. If you have any question, you can ask me. Yes, Hania? Unmute yourself, Hania. Yes, Hania.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Hania Hamad. Yes, Hania Hamad. Ask the question. You raise your
I'm
hand.
done with the RA pages.
Yes, Rahim Renshaw, you have any question?
Can we leave? My brother is
Yes, Tanya, you want to ask something? You raise the hand. Rahim?
Rahim.
You want to ask something? Why are you raising the hand?
Not. Nimsha was.
Also, class,
Why do we leave the meeting?
have you searched the tallest tree in the world? In the last lecture, I've told you to search the tallest tree in the world. Have you searched that? Have you searched the redwood tree? It's so tall. Have you seen the picture?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
I plant orange seeds.
Oh, that seed you have searched. Can you tell me?
They will grow in 1 month.
Anyone else have searched the tallest trees in the world?
am going in orange. No. I am going in orange.
We need to eat.
Got some
Are
orange.
you all done?
I got some orange peaches and I plant on the orange.
Anyone else has a
I'm
question?
gonna plant them.
They're fully grown. My oranges are fully grown.
Yes, Ritaj. I can't see you on your camera, Ritaj.
My oranges are fully grown. I love my oranges.
Unmute yourself, Ritaj, if you want to ask a question.
I didn't even want orange. No. If you tell me.
Yes.
Ma'am, my brother wants to ask you something.
Yes, Rahim.
Ma'am, I want.
What do you say? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes. I can. Who is this? Say your name. Don't say ma'am. Just say your name. Who are you? Who?
what is the word?
Either raise your hand and say your name, ma'am. I want to ask you.
Hello, Anaya.
Yes, Hari. You want to ask something?
I like orange.
Ma'am,
Yes. Who is this?
I like an orange tree.
What is the banana word?
Very good.
I love country.
Who? You all have done the quiz?
Ma'am,
Shala,
I love country.
they also big palm tree. Yes, Ritaj, your hand is still raised. You want to? Yes, Ishal Akif, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself. Ishal Akif, if you want to say something, unmute yourself. You're muted. Now you can unmute.
Ma'am, homework.
Page 42 and 44. Anyway, now you're going to end. Take
Relax.
Yes.
the next class.
You know I planted an orange tree.
That is
Fully
what
grown.
you
That's very nice.
Thank you.
Now, Allah Hafiz, all of you. Allah Hafiz.
I have questions, ma'am.
Let's ask me.
I'm not be 2 days home because I'm going to Lahore.
Beta, who has a question? Tell your name.
I'm not be 3 days home because
Yes, Beta, I
no,
can.
I'm going to Lahore. I'm going to my Khala. I'm going to my Nano's
Okay,
house.
meanwhile, somebody has to ask the question. Who wants to ask the question?
Me, ma'am.
Okay, yes, Ritaj. What question you want to ask?
Ma'am, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana. I love banana. Ritaj, you ask this? Yes, Ritaj.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ritaj.
ma'am, आगे के लिए कौन सा पेज है?
42 and 44. You can see the slide at the GC also, page 42 and 44. Okay, class? Now our time
Ma'am, my favorite fruit is orange.
is. Oh, very nice. Okay. Class, our time is over. Take care of yourself and
Ma'am, I'll not be 3 days home because I'm going to my Nano's house at Lahore.
okay, then do it from the GC. Okay?
Okay.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.